good. That's a good seal. That's got a lot of magnets in it. That's good. And it's got a Velcro edge, so you can put up with Velcro. I made my door frame to fit the summer version of this, which is the bug keeper. Okay, it's got weights on the bottom. So this should fit the same frame. That's why I have this extra board on top, because I'm in a mobile home, so my heights are weird compared to a regular house. So this is to fit the height of this thing and the summer screen. And the important thing is that the bottom is sitting blunt on the floor. It's not crinkled up or anything. And they're a little off on the width. It's a little bigger, a little wider than it's supposed to be. Okay, and it's not as tall as it's supposed to be. Yeah, so their measurements are a little off. Also not square, because I'm getting, I don't think it's square. Okay, the outer squareness is due to wrinkles in the packaging, so I'm going to leave it out for a little while and let it settle out, iron it, so to speak, and then I'll go again. Okay, I don't think hanging this is going to work. I think I had the idea I'm going to iron this. So, you know, put a towel over it and iron it to smooth it out, flatten it out. You can use this insulating board, which has a silver surface. Well, you get the idea. I'm going to have to iron this whole thing and iron another one. I've got two of these, one for each door. There we go. That took about an hour, but now I've got a nice, smooth, wrinkle-free piece to deal with. So hanging it will be a much easier prospect. There's magnets almost continuously, whereas my summer bug net, I'd say there's half as many, maybe even a third as many magnets. So it has big gaps between, so it's much easier to not close correctly or break open. So now it's just a matter of fitting it, because as I said, it's a little wider than they specify. And the actual width is 34 inches, and my spacing is for a maximum of 33 and a half. So I'm just off a little bit. I'll be able to do it. You know what? Looks like I'm okay. Well, looks like now that I've ironed it out, I'm getting a better sizing on it. And I'm well up on my upper board, so I'm going to go ahead and put the Velcro up there. First we'll wipe it with some acetone, make sure it's clean, otherwise known as nail polish remover. The advantage of acetone is it evaporates very quickly and completely. They use Velcro closures on the Velcro. On the roll of Velcro, they use Velcro closures. Yeah, so they've changed this up since they printed the directions, because in the directions you have to apply the flip side of the Velcro to the curtains, whereas now they've sewn it onto the curtains, which is a good thing. You got a sticky label on the back here. Like that. That'll go right there. This is got good strong glue on it, better than duct tape glue. They also include this plastic setting strip, which has little teeth on it, rounded teeth, for setting this on good and tight without wrecking it. Runs right between the teeth. That's good. Okay, so now we just hook and loop this up there. I'll take care of the sides of the next step. The thing is, you want that bottom edge right on the floor. That's good. And you want the center just a little bit high. Okay. Good. Okay, that's hanging very nicely. And to get out, just push through here. And there, okay. I'm just pulling a little bit to the right. And lower that down a little bit. And come up with this a little bit. There we go. In any case, oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Okay, so now I've got a thermal cover over this door, this very air leaky door, so I don't have to put my, I was putting up those panels, half-inch foam board insulating panels on this and propping them up there each day. So now I just got this and I can just go through this once I secure the side. So there you go. I'm happy, and I think I will continue to be happy. And then come summertime, I can just switch this out for the bug screen, which I have, ouch, up here, and I never put up. It wasn't that buggy this summer. But this is the bug screen I've got. You've all seen those as on TV. Okay, there you go. Happy day to you.